Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Critical Reading and Writing. Actually, today we will have an interview. I need to hear your report about your analysis on the abstract that I have given you. But because I had a message from your friends complaining about their difficulties in identifying the hypothesis or arguments in the abstracts or identifying the author positions, etc. So today I would like to explain again about reading the abstract of scientific article as part of your preparation in reading scientific articles. Okay, so again, before you read all part of scientific article, you need a preparation first, right? The preparation here is aimed to find the relevant information we need from the article. Yeah. For example, you need to know about the mass killing of PKI member. You want to know about who to blame on the mass killing of PKI member in 1965 in G30S PKI, for example, like that. So you have to search the article about that mass killing, right? But before you read all the article about the mass killing of PKI member, you need to read the abstract first, right? Yeah, because you can find the relevant information in the article from reading the abstract. Okay, why you can find the relevant information from the abstract? Because the abstract here is the outline of the articles. From the abstract, you can know the outline or the main arguments and reason that the article wants to tell. So by reading the abstract about PKI member mass killing, yeah, you can know about the author arguments, the author reasons, yeah, because again, the abstract will give you the outline, the main arguments, the reason, the finding, etc. Okay. Now, what do you need? What do you need to be able to understand about the abstract? What do you need to do to find the main arguments, yeah, of the article? So you have to be able to first identify the topic first, and then identify the author position concerning about the topic. The third, finding or identifying the arguments and the reasons of the author about the topic. Okay, so we go to the example, the real example. I take this abstract from the articles. The title is Indonesia's Original Sin, Mass Killing and Capitalism's Expansion in 1965 to 1966. Okay, so again, you want to know about the killing of PKI member in 1965 and to 1966. Who to blame? Is it about the revenge of the people of Indonesia, or is it the government or the elites of the government who have an interest to kill PKI members systematically in an organized way? Okay, now to know about the fact, the relevant information in the article, you have to read the abstract first. Here you can see the abstract. Following an aborted coup attempt in October 1965, the Indonesian military organized what turned out to be one of the most horrifying massacres of the 20th century. Massacre here means mass killing, pembunuhan besar-besaran secara masif, ya. More than 500,000 people were killed, while hundreds of thousands of others were detained for years in prison camps throughout the country. Detained here means yeah, you can say it put in jail without any trial. Next, there are two major points that this paper attempts to make. First, that the killing are the fact a case of state violence, despite of the effort to make it look like spontaneous violence. Second, that the killing are crucial to the expansions of capitalism in Indonesia. Using Marx's concept of primitive accumulation, it attempts to show that the mass killing and arrest, the expropriations of people from their houses and land, and the elimination of working-class political formation are integral parts of the economic strategy of the new order. And the keywords are violence, mass killing, Indonesia, new order, capitalism, and primitive accumulation theory. Okay, that is the examples of abstract. Now, how to find the topics, the hypothesis of the or the arguments, the reasons, and the evidence. Okay, now we go to the topic. Topic is about the subject matter, or topic explain what the text is about. Okay, it's about the subject matter. Apa yang dibicarakan? Secara general itu apa yang dibicarakan oleh teks, subject matter. So we can say that the topic of the abstract is mass killing and capitalism. Okay, you know that the topic is in form of phrases, not in form of sentences. Okay, in form of phrases. The phrases can be in one word or more than one word. Okay, so here the topic is about the mass killing and capitalisms. Okay, the mass killing of PKI and capitalism. How can we know the topic is about mass killing of PKI and capitalism? We can find it in the title. Yeah, you can see the Indonesian's original sin, mass killing and capitalism expansion. From the title, we can get the informations that the topic of these articles is about the relation between mass killing in 1965 through 1966. It is a mass killing of PKI, of course, because in that years we have G30S PKI. Okay, the relations of mass killing of PKI and the capitalist expansion. Okay, and we can know that topic also from the keyword, the violence, mass killing, Indonesia's new order, capitalism, primitive accumulation. It shows that the relation about the relation of mass killing as the violence in Indonesia, and its relation to the capitalisms in new order, yeah, according to the primitive accumulation theory. Okay, that is the way to find the topic. Okay, now we go to the author position. Okay, so author position is the opinion or point of view of the author about the subject or the topic. Okay, we have found the topic. What is the topic? The topic is about mass killing of PKI and capitalisms. Yeah. Now we go to the author position, about the author opinion or point of view, yeah, about the mass killing and capitalism. Now We can find that the author position is that mass killing of PKI member is caused by the New Order capitalism. Okay. In other words, the position of the author said that it is capitalism that caused the mass killing of PKI. Okay, so the relation between mass killing and the capitalisms in New Order regime is the causal relation. Yeah, the relationship, a causal relationship between mass killing and capitalisms. Okay, that is the author position. Now we go to hypothesis or the argument. The hypothesis is almost the same with the argument. Why is it the same? Because first, hypothesis is a kind of claim. It is a kind of claim or opinion that the author wants to prove. Yeah. It is the claim or opinion that the author wants to prove by using the reason and evidence. Okay. The argument is the same. It is also about the claim or opinion, but not just claim or opinion, but it must be proved by using reasoning and evidences. Okay, so that's why hypothesis or arguments is the same. Now, what is the hypothesis of the abstract? First, we have known about the opinion, right? The opinion or the author positions. Here, the opinion or point of view of the author or the author position, mass killing of PKI member is caused by New Order capitalism. Now, in arguments or the hypothesis, we just need to add the reason and the evidence. Okay. So the hypothesis here is mass killing of PKI member is caused by New Order capitalism. Why? Show me the reason, show me the evidence. Because by using Karl Marx theory, mass killing is part of economic strategy of the New Order regime. That is the reason. By using the theory of Karl Marx, especially the theory of primitive accumulation, the author can conclude that the mass killing of PKI member is part of economic strategy, economic strategy of New Order regime that tend to be capitalistic, not socialistic or not communistic, but the capitalistic economy. Okay, that is the reason. What about the evidence? It showed by the systematic mass killing by the organized military apparatus. You can find in the abstract that the author said the killing is done by the organized military or armies. Okay, it is well organized. It is systematized, okay, by the by the militaries or by the army. And then it also showed by the expansion of capitalism in Indonesia, especially in New Order regime. Okay, so after the G30 SPKI, after the cleansing or the mass killing of the PKI member, the capitalistic economy of New Order regime increase or expand. So that is the evidence. You can find more information about this evidence, about the theory of accumulative primitive accumulation, Karl Marx theory, or how the military organized the killing, or how far the expansion of capitalism. You can find that detail when you read all part of the articles. Okay? Okay, I think that is my explanations. If you are still confused, you can ask me. Okay? Thank you very much. I think for today, you need to learn again, pay attention on the material, on the video that I made here, to make you understand about the identifications of hypothesis or arguments, the author positions, the reason and the arguments from the abstract of scientific article. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.